Have you ever noticed that almost all of the big TikTokers blew up from almost nothing? You had Charlie with her trending dances, and Bella with the famous head dance, and Kabe Lame with his famous gestures. TikTok was easy then. You could do a trending dance with a trending sound, hashtag For You page, and you get 100K views in an hour. I even tested my theories against the TikTok algorithm and managed to go 3 accounts, one to 20K, one to 45K, and one to over 85K respectively, until January 1st, 2023. My views halted, big creators are scrambling, and I even noticed something really peculiar in my notifications. But we'll get to that later. But the real question is, why did all of our views fall off a cliff? Now, in order to understand this, I'm going to take you back to 2016 when Casey Neistat said this about content creation.
Now here I am, 1 year after doing daily uploads, and I've got 2.5 million subscribers. YouTube isn't Hollywood, I'm not Stanley Kubrick. You can't succeed here if you're uploading once a month. If you want to succeed here, you've got to show up for work every single day.
Don't be confused on why I'm talking about YouTube instead of TikTok. It'll all make sense soon. And this is when daily vlogs were born. Getting content out every single day was very important to succeed on the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm rewarded hustle mentality. So Casey and Logan and then Jake Paul and Gary Vee and everybody on YouTube started posting every single day on the platform. Casey Neistat, Logan Paul, Jake Paul amassed millions of followers virtually overnight until a new player came into the game. Enter Mr. Beast. Now, what Mr. Beast did was raise the bar on effort and quality of YouTube videos. He counted from 0 to 100,000, and it took him 44 straight hours. He also took the time to spin a fidget spinner for 24 hours straight, and he even went through the same drive-thru 1,000 times. And that's the effort that evolved the playing field that we play in today on YouTube. Now, why did I take all of that time to tell you about a platform that isn't TikTok? I'm going to give you 2 reasons. The first reason is because they're the biggest rivals in the social media world right now. And the second thing is history usually repeats itself. Now, to keep it brief, YouTube feels threatened by TikTok, so they created YouTube Shorts. And now that TikTok has over 1 billion active users, TikTok feels like it's time to take on YouTube as well. Now, let's go back to those peculiar notifications I was getting on my phone. I was getting trickling views from videos that are 4 to 12 months old. And I noticed that my new content was being suppressed. And then I noticed something even more strange. So I went to one of my friend's account that's in the crypto space that I met while creating my crypto account on TikTok. And I noticed something about his biggest videos. I was scrolling through his feed and his videos were getting actually pretty good views. And as I scrolled through each individual one, I noticed how much effort he was putting into his editing. And then I came across 3 videos that had over 1 million views. And the thing that I noticed about them was their length. One video was 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Another video, 3 minutes and 5 seconds. And a video with 1.7 million views was 9 minutes and 45 seconds. I couldn't believe this. So what I needed to do was take a break. I got in my car, I drove to Starbucks and got one of my favorite drinks. Awesome, appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Take care. So, as I pulled out of the Starbucks drive-thru and took that first frothy sip of my drink, I had an epiphany. Video views trickling in on old videos. 2 to 10 minute video lengths working the best. Quality over quantity and prioritizing SEO. This sounds a lot like the YouTube algorithm. My mind was blown, and that's when I realized TikTok really is shifting. It's shifting to longer videos, higher quality content, and its goal is to increase watch time sessions. Now, from a business sense, TikTok is having trouble finding a way to pay creators for 1 billion views on a 6-second video, where on YouTube, they can buy pre-roll ads and mid-roll ads, and seemingly makes them a better competitor to go head-to-head with YouTube. It's going to be a mindset shift for anybody who's used to the old TikTok algorithm. It's going to take more thoughtful ideas, better editing, and longer videos. And luckily for you, on this channel, I'm currently split testing what's working right now. I'm using one of my TikTok accounts and posting all types of videos to see what's working best. So if you want to see a scientific analysis of what's going on with the TikTok algorithm, I suggest you guys subscribe here. And I'm going to go ahead and show that to you guys in my next video. And if you want to see some of the features that are working right now on TikTok with this new algorithm, go ahead and check this video right here.